feeling love, now she doing all my drugs, yeah, I'm ballin' in the club like lil' mama in my eyesight. She go on with me tonight, we connect like Wi-Fi, yeah, on the table.
What up, YouTube world? So today's vlog, I'm in a different area. We've got a different style of vlog today. We've come to link and meet up new bike friends.
Oh, friend, I'm not your fucking friend.
Oh, there we are. We're at David Lloyd. Try and get some footage. Yeah, he's here. How we doing? Why is it that obvious? What are you saying? Listen, you might as well say hello to the vlog. There's my bike. There's his bike. What's yours? Benelli 125, yeah? Oh yeah, of course. We're ready. We're ready for the bloopers. Come on, bring on the bloopers. That's one way of leaving me behind. I'm not as rapid as him yet, but we'll get there. This is a bit mad. I've never really not properly rode out with someone before. He flies around like a rocket on that thing, but oh shit, and it's brand new. Jeez, 21. Come on. It's mad. I met this guy on a job. He was doing a fire alarm in one of the buildings he works in. Actually him, I was getting all the information off CBT, what it means, what you're gonna do cost wise, all of that good stuff. What he's making me do. He's making me drive around like a wanker. Slow down when you see horses. This is sick, this bit of stretch.
Thank you guys for standing down, I really appreciate it.
No problem. put some music on and ride home basically. Let's put on Clash, Dave. It's going to be a bit awkward now. I'm trying to vlog. I've got music playing through the Shockwave 3.0. I'm currently listening to Dave and Stormzy Clash.
Jordan 4s or Jordan 1s, Rolexes got more than one.
For the ones who know, it's a banger. So, let's cut through all the BS. See, you can't do that in a car. That's why everyone that's got a car, get a bike. Because you could do stuff like this. Come on. That was too sick. So, I'm just going to be stuck in traffic here now. Or is she going to come? Is she going to come through? What the fuck is happening here? Nothing but traffic. Oh nah, that is a myth. I'm not waiting there, bruv. For everyone who else is going to be vlogging, or for anyone who's going to be vlogging, and you've got this helmet with the Shockwave, listening to music in the background as well as trying to vlog, I thought it might be a bit of a headache, to be honest, but I'm currently doing it now. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. It's just, I think I got the volume on low, so I've got the music on in the background, but it's not overpowering what I'm trying to say. So you could do both. Hold on a second. Let me take this opportunity, because who said men can't multitask? Let me know. Show them this video, because I am doing it right now. I'm listening to music, I'm vlogging and controlling the bike and making sure I'm safe on the road. If that's not an advertisement for multitasking, drop me out. Smells of weed around here too. Come on. Oh, biker, come on. Can't be arsed with the traffic. I could have smell-o-vision in this GoPro. Everywhere I go, it just smells of budge. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I need to go home, sort my life out. It's way too hot out here to be on a bike all day. Peace out. See you on the next one.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.